4 billion years ago, Mars was not a desert. It was a world of blue water. Enormous rivers once surged across its surface, carving paths visible today.
But Mars lost its magnetic shield, and the solar wind began to strip its atmosphere.
Over millions of years, the water vanished, and a vibrant world turned into a frozen desert.
The planet literally rusted. Its red color is the result of iron minerals oxidizing. As the planet cooled, its volcanic heart slowed down, leaving a silent graveyard. Today, we find evidence of lost water in the salts left behind in ancient craters. The sun's relentless wind continues to erode what little atmosphere remains. Mars became a world of extreme cold, where the average is 60 degrees below zero.
It is a lonely world, accompanied only by 2 small, lumpy moons. Phobos is spiraling slowly inward, destined to be torn apart by Mars' gravity.
Deimos orbits much further away, a tiny speck of rock in the vast night.
The thin atmosphere builds up static electricity, creating ghostly glows in the dust.
Even the air itself freezes on Mars, turning into dry ice at the poles.
Mars is a land of silence, waiting for the return of life. Mars is home to Olympus Mons, a volcano 3 times the height of Everest.
Its base is so wide, the peak would be hidden beyond the horizon.
It holds a canyon system so vast, it would stretch across the entire United States. These layers hold the secrets of billions of years, exposed by the planet's crust. Giant dust devils roam the plains, clearing the dust as they dance.
Sometimes, these storms grow so massive they engulf the entire planet for months.
Fine dust suspended in the air scatters light, creating a pinkish hue. In a strange twist of physics, sunsets on Mars are a haunting, beautiful blue. Small, round stones provide proof that water once soaked this ground.
CO2 gas erupting from under the ice creates strange patterns that look like spiders. With no light pollution, the Martian night offers the clearest view of the cosmos.
Few things burn up completely in the thin air of the red planet. Dark streaks on slopes suggest liquid salt water might still flow today. Lowest points are so deep that frost can form on the floor. For billions of years, these landscapes were untouched until we arrived.
Landing on Mars is one of the hardest things humans have ever attempted.
We must use rockets and cranes to touch down gently in the thin air. Today, our robotic explorers are the only inhabitants of the red planet. They use lasers and drills to analyze the chemistry of the soil.
We have flown the first aircraft ever on another world, conquering their thin air. We are collecting samples to be brought back to Earth for study.
Some pioneers have fallen silent, buried under the dust after years of service.
These machines are our eyes, searching for the answer to the ultimate question.
We are listening to the pulse of Mars, detecting quakes deep underground.
We have left our mark across the planet, from plains to craters.
We are testing technology to create oxygen, fuel for the humans of tomorrow.
Each mission brings us closer to understanding if we are truly alone.
The search for life continues, hidden in ancient river deltas.
On a world of dust, survival depends on keeping the energy flowing.
The age of the robots is just the beginning. The humans are next.
The next giant leap is the journey to Mars, a 7-month voyage. When the first humans step onto the dust, they will be the most distant travelers.
Welcome to the Earth.
We will build our first outposts in the shadow of massive volcanoes.
The first Martians will be born in domes, sheltered from the red desert.
Underground, the rock will protect us from radiation and extreme cold.
Water will be the gold of Mars, used for drinking, food, and fuel.
From Mars, Earth will look like a fragile blue spark.
In the future, we may attempt to melt the ice to thicken the air.
A project of centuries, turning a dead world into a second home.
Mars will become a new civilization with its own culture and history.
We go to Mars because it is the next step in our evolution.
Becoming a multi-planetary species is our insurance for the future. The red planet is a bridge to the stars, a challenge that defines our century. Keep looking up. The journey is just beginning.